guys, it's Lucy.
In eternity.
Come with us to work at Imperial Systems to see a day in our life.
I can't wait.
Wow, I love this job.
Let's go meet up with some of our amazing coworkers.
You'll not only get to see what we do in a day, but our coworkers as well.
Explain your daily activities.
Depends on what I left the day before. From what I leave or what I start with in the morning, and then work through whatever product that I'm given.
What about this job is rewarding?
Seeing the finished product. Yeah, that's good.
Wow, we have such cool jobs. I can't believe we get to help people.
Wait, they don't know how we help people.
Let's have one of our coworkers explain how our machines help people.
What does the success of the company mean to you?
The success of the company means a career for myself, but it also means that there's people out in the world who are getting cleaner, healthier, safer air for them as well. Because the more pieces of equipment we can produce and put out into the world, the safer the world actually gets from like an EPA style standpoint and everything like that. So everything that we make here makes everybody else safer.
Yeah.
We are not only a local company, but all over the United States. Check out our map. We are making a great impact on our country.
By coming together
Combining our skills,
and embracing collaboration,
we can build not just products,
but a stronger, more innovative future in manufacturing.